Hello, in this short video I'm going to show you the alert functionality for milestones and deliverables to help you keep track of them and receive the alerts that you need. It is a straightforward feature that can be very useful to anticipate deliverables or milestones and remember their deadlines. So right now I am in the Gantt diagram where we can see all the different tasks of each work package. If you look closely, you will notice little stars in the timeline of the Gantt that represents the deliverables and the milestones of the project. If you click on one of these stars, you will be able to see what milestones or deliverable that star is representing. To see the details of the milestones or deliverables, you just need to click on the star and later on its name. Now here, you will be able to review the milestones or deliverable description, the delivery date, and the day the alert is set up to send the email to the people involved. This alert can be set up a month, a week, or a day before the deadline, depending on the preference in that milestones or deliverable. In this list right here is where you see which members of the consortium will receive this email alert. You can add or eliminate members from this list or change any of the data of the milestones and deliverables only if you have special permits. Once you are sure all the information is correct, always remember to click Save to preserve the changes. If you want to mark a deliverable or a milestone as done, you only have to get into the star again and click on Mark as done. You can also notify any member of the consortium whenever someone marks that milestone or deliverable as done.